Welcome to Pomilo TV. The grand adventure of Polly the Pirate Parrot. Polly is a pirate, squawk, squawk, squawk. Polly is a pirate, walk, walk, walk. On the big wooden ship across the blue sea, Polly is as happy as a parrot can be. He wears a red hat, red, red, red. He wears a red hat on his green head, with a patch on his eye, black, 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 and a little striped shirt on his parrot back. The ship has a sail, white, white, white. It catches the wind with all of its might. The anchor goes splash, blue, 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 into the water for me and for you. Polly is a pirate, squawk, squawk, squawk. Polly is a pirate, walk, walk, walk. On the big wooden ship across the blue sea, Polly is as happy as a parrot can be. The waves go up, the waves go down. The ship goes up and turns around. The wind blows fast, the wind blows strong, as Polly the pirate sings his song. He looks through his glass, see, see, see. He looks for an island as green as a tree. He hops on the sand, jump, 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 over a log with a thump, thump, thump. He has a little map, tap, tap, tap. He follows the trail, flap, flap, flap. He found a big chest, gold, gold, gold. He found a big chest, shiny and old. Polly is a pirate, squawk, squawk, squawk. Polly is a pirate, walk, walk, walk. On the big wooden ship across the blue sea, Polly is as happy as a parrot can be. The sun goes down, low, low, low. The stars in the sky glow, glow, glow. Polly closes his eyes, tight, tight, tight. Polly the pirate says good night, good night. He takes a pirate nap, 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 under his red pirate cap, 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 cap. Dreaming of the sea, blue, blue, blue. Polly loves his journey, and we love him too.